Today we're going to make our dolls an Easter basket and chocolate rabbit. To start for the Easter basket, I took an empty tape of duct tape, and glued it onto some cardstock. I then cut off any excess cardstock to create the space for my basket. Then you're going to get some twine and glue a little portion of it at the bottom. So basically just wrap your twine around the duct tape roll and then glue it at certain spots whenever you feel it's getting loose. Once you get to the end of your twine, cut off any excess and make sure to glue on the end very good because you don't want it to unravel. The next thing you're going to do with this basket is cut out a long strip of cardstock. I used the same one I used on the bottom of my basket. Since I didn't glue down the entire twine, I only glued down certain portions of it. There's still some loose parts that I can actually stick it in and glue this cardstock in. To make sure the handle doesn't slip out, I take some hot glue and I place a little bit over the top of it, like so, and cover it with the twine. I placed in this Easter straw grass stuff. It really helps to fill up the basket. I then added my DIY doll Easter treats. If you haven't seen that video yet, I recommend it. It's really cute, it has some cute DIYs. I will put it in the card up above. It is a really great DIY video, so please watch that. I felt there was something missing to my basket, so I took some ribbon and cut it to fit around my basket. Then I used that ribbon and folded over its edge, so that way it doesn't fray. Then glue the ribbon around the basket, making sure its edge is folded. I also attached a bow to the top of the Easter basket with the same ribbon. To attach it, I put on some poster putty. Instead of hot gluing it this way, I can change it when I want to. To create the chocolate Easter bunny, take some brown foam and cut out a bunny shape. Here's the shape I came up with. Looks like a bunny, has some ears, a bunny tail, and some feet. I cut out 3 of them because you're going to end up gluing each of these 3 together. Be sure to trim off any excess foam you have when you glue the shapes together. To add more dimension to your chocolate rabbit, take some more foam and cut it out to look like little legs on the chocolate. This makes the base of your chocolate bunny. Using a smaller ribbon, take it and create a bow. Then you're going to take that bow and hot glue it onto the base of your chocolate rabbit. To help your chocolate rabbit stand up, take scissors and make sure to cut it so that the base is flat. Then you have completed your doll chocolate bunny. Finishing a DIY doll Easter basket and chocolate bunny for your dolls. Happy Easter! Make sure to subscribe and get crafting.